what's up YouTube? Jeremiah Hersey here from Pragmatic Works, and today it's all about the new preview feature within the Power BI desktop, the rectangular data point selection, or also known as the lasso selection. Now this makes it extremely easy to select multiple data points within inside of a visual, or to select multiple visuals overall without having to control click multiple visuals. So let's go ahead and get started and turn this preview feature on. So before we can use the rectangular data point selection or the lasso feature, we first have to turn it on within inside of our Power BI desktop. So we're going to go up here to the top, we're going to go to File, Options and Settings, and into our options. Within inside of the preview features here, we're going to be turning on the data point rectangle select. Okay. If you want to learn more information, you can click this little learn more link and it will take you to a Microsoft documentation on how to use this. We're going to go ahead and click OK. Now, one thing to note is it is going to require a feature restart. So we're going to have to restart our Power BI desktop. So I'll go ahead and click OK. We're going to restart this. I'll close down the Power BI desktop. And I'll go ahead and open it back up real quick. All right, so now that we have our file loaded up and the preview feature for the rectangular data point or lasso is now turned on. So initially, right, as we work with inside of a report, we know that we can control click different objects, right? So I can control click with inside of the Power BI desktop to select multiple visuals. But with the lasso select, you no longer have to sit here and click each visual that you want. If you want to select multiple visuals, you're going to hold down the Control and Shift key, and that will allow you to create a lasso around the visuals that you want. Notice that all 5 visuals are now selected. Once again, Control Shift allows you to create a lasso that you can lasso multiple visuals together. Now, inside of the visual, though, we also have the option to lasso individual data points. So this works for line charts, tree maps, it works for scatter charts, it also works for maps as well. And so if you hold the Shift key down inside of a visual, this will allow you to lasso particular objects inside of that visual. I could also select maybe the color black here as well. Notice all the filtering is taking place. So once again, we can hold Shift inside of the visual and we can select specific item data points inside of our visual. We can also select multiple data points here using that lasso feature. So once again, I'm just holding down the Shift key inside of the visual to select the data points that I want. Now, like I said, this also works for maps as well. So I'll drop in a map inside of this table. We'll do maybe country and total sales here. Okay, so notice now I can hold down the Shift key inside of the map visual. I can select just the values for Europe and it will filter my report. Okay, so to select data points with the lasso feature inside of a visual, you're going to hold down the Shift key. If you want to select multiple visuals here, you're going to hold down the Shift and the Control key to multi-select the visuals. I want to thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. And once again, the lasso feature just makes it extremely easy to select multiple data points inside of your visuals without having to control click each one of them. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.